just have to make a video of this. It's so cute. Can you hear him? I'm not sure which one that is, because Ronan snores pretty loudly too. They could be alternating. And I'm working on my blog right here. So they're really right at my feet. I'm being serenaded.